Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back in the session of sounds of consonant and vowels in English alphabet. In the previous video, we learned about the sound of letter B and D. In this video, we will learn the sound of letter students F. In English alphabet, we call this letter F. F. But the sound of this letter is F. F. Clear? Let's practice of the sound of this letter with some words. Let's start. Repeat all these words with me. Fat, far, fall, fear, fail, fear, fed, fell, felt, feed, fit, fish, fig, five, fire, foot, food, fool, four, fog, full, fuel, future, fur, fun. So dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you want to get perfection on the sound of letter F, practice with this video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again with the sound of next letter.